Tired of tedious block excavation? Let's blast through those obstacles and reclaim your Minecraft world with lightning-fast clearing techniques. First up, the power of commands. Your built-in Minecraft cheat code for efficiency. To unlock this magic, ensure your world has cheats enabled and you have operator privileges. Open your chat window and type in a specific command that targets the blocks you want to remove. You'll define the area by specifying coordinates. Think of it like drawing a box around the unwanted blocks. You'll need 3 sets of coordinates: your starting point, and then a second point that diagonally defines the opposite corner of your clearing box. These coordinates will tell the game exactly which block volumes need to disappear. With a satisfying poof, that entire section of blocks will be instantly cleared, saving you hours of manual labor. This is perfect for clearing out large caves or making space for massive builds. But what if you prefer to stay in survival mode or want a more hands-on approach? Enter Enchanted tools. A pickaxe with efficiency V and Unbreaking 3 is your best friend for faster mining. Combine this with a special enchantment like Silk Touch if you want to gather the blocks, or Fortune if you want to multiply any valuable drops you encounter. The speed difference is astounding compared to unenchanted tools. For the ultimate in mining speed and area coverage, consider specific tools that mine in a radius. Think of it like having a built-in excavator. These can clear entire swaths of terrain in mere seconds, making resource gathering for huge projects a breeze. Whether you're crafting a sprawling city, digging a colossal quarry, or simply tidying up your landscape, these methods will revolutionize your Minecraft workflow, giving you back precious time to focus on what you love most: building your ultimate world.